If you guys are looking to jumpstart your van build, I've created a DIY van build cheat sheet. It's essentially an Excel sheet of all the products that I've bought through Amazon over the past 3 years. They're all curated into an organized sheet that you guys can search through, click on the Amazon links. It really helps out the channel. It's a great way to support us. And this document, it's really going to help you guys. So if it's your first time building a van and you don't know what products to buy because there's so many products in the market, you don't want to buy products and have to vet them on your own, you can go on this list. This list is stuff that I've vetted. I've used these items anywhere from plumbing parts for the van, fuses, any type of hardware, bolts, nuts, screws, stuff for the 80/20. The most important thing on the list is the tools. The tools on this list are what I use to put Thomas's van together. So these tools are everything from the riv nut attachment for your drill, the Propex expansion tool for everything that we did in the sink area. I'm trying to think of some other tools. All the hole saws that I needed to actually cut out for the battery disconnects. All of those tools, the soldering that I use for the lights above, those tools are on there. So go there. It's going to be a one-stop shop for you. It's going to help you out. It's going to help you save time and money by just buying the one thing you need instead of 20 things you need. So head on over to the link in the bottom in the description below. It's our DIY van build cheat sheet, and I'm really excited for you guys to check it out. So again, link is in the description below if you wanted to download that. It's a completely free download. So just put your name, email address, click download, it'll send it right to your inbox. It's completely free, and I know it's going to help you out.